Are you constantly misplacing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the Apple AirTag 4-pack. This incredible Bluetooth tracker from Apple is designed to effortlessly locate your most cherished items, making it a top contender for the best electronics of 2025. Its standout feature, precision finding, uses ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item, with exact distance and direction right on your iPhone. Imagine seeing an arrow pointing right to your couch cushions. No more guessing. Getting started is ridiculously simple. With one-tap setup, your AirTag instantly pairs with your iPhone, ready to track within seconds. And don't worry about splashes or dust. With its IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTag is built to withstand everyday adventures. What makes the AirTag truly unique is leveraging Apple's vast Find My network, meaning millions of Apple devices can help locate your item even if it's far away. Truly the best tracker you can buy. If you're ready to add this amazing gadget to your life, find the best price and purchase your Apple AirTag 4-pack using the Amazon link in the description. This isn't just about finding lost items. It's about peace of mind and knowing your valuables are always within reach. For anyone considering the ultimate solution for keeping track of their important belongings, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have. Get yours today.